Chapter 12, problem number 20. In this case, we have a quantity discount model. They tend to be a little easier to determine because they have something that the production order quantity does not have, which is production rate, but that's easily identifiable because we have different prices per unit depending on quantity. So in this particular case, we go to Chapter 12, we go to quantity discount, and the number of price categories is 3. 1 to 99, 100 to 199, and 200 and above. Now, in this case, once again, are the holding costs fixed or variable? And you can see that the holding costs are actually fixed. So we're going to have to change that to be fixed because it's a flat amount. So we go, okay. The annual demand in this particular case is 400 a month. We have to turn that into an annual demand. So we take the 400 and we multiply it by 12 to annualize it. The ordering costs are $120 every time we place an order, and the holding costs are $35 a unit. Now, the range of 1 to 99 is the minimum quantity is 1. The price is 350. Range 2, which is 100 to 199. You always put in the minimum point category, which is 100, will cost you $325. And you have 200 and above. So 200 is the minimum. You would always order the minimum of the price category. You would never order more than that because your costs would actually go up. And you can get those for $300 a unit. Now, what is the optimal order quantity? So the optimal order quantity in this case is a little harder to read. To order, purchase, and hold these. So in this particular case, the optimal order quantity and the minimum cost. So the optimal order quantity would have normally been 181.422, but you can see that if the company orders 200, which is column D, their annual cost will be lower than if they order 181. So the answer for A is 200 units, and A 446,380 will be their cost. So in part B, it asks us to do the same thing, except this time we have a 10% holding cost. So we go back to the chapter. We select quantity discount. You already know that this is 3. We leave the percentage of unit cost alone this time. So the demand is, again, you don't have to, you could just put in the 4,800 on your own. The ordering costs remain the same at $120, and the holding costs are 10%. Now, for range 1 to 99, quantity is $150. And then we have 100 to 199 is the second price category. 100 is the minimum at $325. And we have 200 plus. 200 is the minimum quantity, and 300. And you can see that in this particular case, the numbers have changed. But one thing that hasn't changed is the EOQ is now 188, whereas it was 181 before, but we still order 200 units. because the cost is still lower. So the 1,445,880 cost is the lower of the two. So if you order 188.27 each time, your total annualized cost will be 1,566,118. If you order 200, you can see your holding costs go up because you're going to have more inventory on hand more often. And you can see that your ordering costs go down because you're going to order less often. But your total cost is what you care about. And your total cost is lower if you order 200 units a time than if you order 188 because of the quantity discount. By going from ordering 100 to 200, you save $25 a unit, and that more than offsets the increase in holding costs and ordering costs.